आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question is, which of the following statements is incorrect? So we have to find out the incorrect statements amongst the four options, right? So you are actually given option number A, option number B, option number C, and option number D. You have to find out which one of the following is incorrect. Okay. So let us consider the first statement. The first statement says that greater is the lowering in vapor pressure, greater is the boiling point of the solution. So the relationship between the vapor pressure and boiling point of the solution is inverse, right? The vapor pressure of the solution is inversely related to the boiling point, which means lower is the vapor pressure, greater is the lowering in the vapor pressure, greater will be the boiling point, right? Because they have an inverse relation. Lower is the vapor pressure, greater will be the boiling point, and that's what the first statement says. It says that greater is the lowering in vapor pressure, greater is the boiling point of the solution. So the first statement is correct, right? Now moving on to the second one. Now the relationship between the vapor pressure of the solution and the freezing point of the solution is direct. It means that lower is the vapor pressure, lower is the vapor pressure, lower will be the freezing point. Okay, so greater is the lowering in vapor pressure, lower should be the freezing point. But the statement says that greater is the lowering of vapor pressure, greater is the freezing point of the solution. So this statement is incorrect, because if the lowering in vapor pressure is greater, then the freezing point should also get lowered, because the relationship is direct. If the vapor pressure is lowering, then the freezing point should also be less, right? So the second statement is incorrect. Now let's consider the third statement. It says that at freezing point, the solute and solvent have same vapor pressure. This statement is 100% correct, because at the freezing point, what happens that the vapor pressure of solute becomes equal to the vapor pressure of the solvent. Okay, so this statement is correct. Now coming on to the fourth statement, which is the units of molar depression constant, which is nothing but Kf, are Kelvin molal inverse. This M represents molality. This M represents molality. Okay. So we have a relationship which is delta TF is equal to Kf into M. Right? Delta TF is what? Delta TF is the depression and freezing point. Kf is the molar depression constant, and M is the molality. So from here you have Kf is equal to delta TF divided by M. The unit of delta TF is nothing but Kelvin, and the unit of molality is M inverse, right? So we are writing molality as M inverse only. So which implies that the fourth statement is also correct. So the answer for the incorrect statement will be the B statement. It is incorrect. All the other three statements are absolutely correct. So that's all for this question.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।